What's up guys, John here for the iPhone XS unboxing. I have here the iPhone XS space gray finish with the 256 gigabytes of storage. As you can see here, the box is pretty standard, nothing special about that. On the side it just says iPhone, there is no iPhone number, just iPhone right there. And there you go, there's the box. Pretty standard stuff. You don't need a knife to kind of cut through the plastic so you can actually get the plastic wrapping, kind of tear it off the box. What you do have is a little plastic tab over here, and it's got a little arrow and a green circle. And the point of this is that you can just pull the plastic by the tab and hopefully remove the cover smoothly and swiftly. So let's give that a try. That was pretty easy. And it just comes off. Voila. Now it's time to take that cover off, so here we go. So the first thing that meets us here is designed by Apple in California, which is pretty sweet and pretty normal. You take out the paper setup in here and you take the inserts in here out just to have a look at them. It's just the usual paperwork, the pin enclosed in here. I don't know if there's anybody who ever reads the information that's put in here, but anyway, it is there. And of course the two Apple stickers. I've never used them, but I still think they look pretty cool, and you do kind of expect them to be in the box. Next up we have the actual phone in here, and this is my favorite part, and I think it's everybody's favorite part, which is taking the plastic wrapping off the phone. And here's the phone, guys. I have the space gray finish with the 256 gigabytes of storage. It is a pretty sweet device, premium finish, as you can see. It looks pretty amazing right there. Next up, you have the accessories inside the box. You have the regular slow, small charging brick. Now, I'd say it's pretty disappointing to get this kind of brick from Apple, given the high price point for the phone, but it is what it is, and this is what we get in the box. And here we have the earpods, and if you turn them around, you will notice that we do not have a lightning to headphone adapter, and that too is pretty disappointing, again, considering the high price we pay for this iPhone. Last but not least, we have the lightning to USB charging cable in here. So we do not have a fast charging cable included in the box, which would have been the lightning to USB-C cable. Again, this is what Apple has provided in the box, and it is what it is. Now up next, I'm gonna be setting up the phone. So that's it guys for the unboxing experience here. Please like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.